Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This is Mercy for those who are new to me. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for sharing, liking my videos, commenting, everything. I do appreciate. So tonight I'll be showing you how I cook this Kienyeji chicken. So if you want to learn how I do it, please stay tuned. But before I get started, let me show you where I buy this Kienyeji chicken and the goat meat. Yes, this is where I buy my chicken. I also buy the goat. They have the goats here, so you come here, you pick what you want. They'll cut them in pieces for you. Watakuchijia buzi, they cut them, and they also sell the eggs. So, and it's not even far from home. It's about 20 minutes drive, so it's within reach. So on the cooking, this is how I do it. I just put some oil on the pot. I already cleaned my chicken. It's all clean and good. I go ahead and put my chicken in the pot. There's some oil there, already heated. So I'll let them cook in the first few minutes with nothing else apart from the oil. Just put them there and just mix everything up. Okay, now it's time to add our onions, garlic and ginger. They are already set there. Mix them up and then cover the pot and let them cook. So for me, I love a lot of onions. I do cook with a lot of them, so I think they add taste to the food according to me. So I don't know whether you use a lot of onions or not. Let me know there in the comment section. It's time now to add spices. For me, for this chicken, I'm using only the beef cubes. Those are the small beef cubes. I just used 2 of them, crushed, added some water, mixed. And then the curry powder, you know that sibabiri from Jamuhuri, that's what I'm using. So you can use the spices you have in your house. This one depends with what you like. Some people don't even use any spice, and it's all good. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add some water for some soup. Yes, you don't want your chicken all dried up, so you need a little soup there. So hapa nilisahau kidogo. I was supposed to put these tomatoes with onions, lakini nikasahau. So I'm gonna go ahead and add them right now, but I'm not gonna mix them. I'll cover the pot, give it a few minutes, and once the tomatoes are all cooked, I can mix that now. So all will be well now. Yes, this is what makes me come here often, the squashes, the sweet potatoes, and the domas. So because I love them, ni kama sa nyumbani kabisa. So guys, how do you cook this? The kiongoro. They call it banana flour. I never knew that it can be eaten, people. So if you know how it's cooked, just comment there or tell me in the comment section. Because for me, when I was growing up, we used to use it for kifuniko ya mtungi ya maji. I know so many people can relate